It is with great pride and honor to welcome you all to the graduation ceremony of the Sailor Basic Course, Narag Silang Class 73.
The members of Narag Silang Class of 73, Team NETC, ladies and gentlemen, isang magandang umaga po sa ating lahat.
Today is more than a graduation. It is a story of courage, sacrifice, and love that began long before we wore this uniform. We stand here not as trained sailors, but as sons and daughters who dared to dream. May bagyo. At first, we thought we were just unlucky. Grabe, lagi tayong inuulan. But later on, we realized maybe it wasn't bad luck at all.
And today, they stand not just as a class, but as a unit bound by singular spirit. Nagsilang, your name is truly meaningful to the beloved parents, loved ones, families, and friends. Your presence today is a powerful reminder of the love and sacrifice that made this moment possible.
I know it will always be you and me. Yeah, you and me. Oh, you and me. You and me.
You raise your sons and daughters who chose to serve something greater than themselves, and the values they now carry were first taught by you in your family.
Sa bawat salitang, ulitin mo yan. Ito ay paraan nyo upang hubugin kami. You didn't just train us, you transformed us.
And you'll be in a world of pure imagination. Take a look and you'll see into your imagination. We'll begin with a spin, traveling in the world of my creation. What we'll see will defy explanation.
We have proven that no storm can break a heart that beats for the flag, for the Navy, and for our families as we sail forward to serve our nation. May we always remember the lesson we've learned here. Disiplina, tapang, kababaang loob at pagmamahal sa bayan. Mabuhay ang Sailor Basic Course Class 73! Mabuhay ang hukbong dagat ng Pilipinas!